So a lot of teenagers, including me, want to be like this guy or that guy. But one of the most sluggish reason we have is we are having no capital. This is one of the biggest problems we face in our teens because we don't have any source to generate money. That's why here are 5 ways that I'll be telling you which can help you save money. Brand influence. You are in a situation that you are having $500 and it's Christmas. So it's obvious that big brands like Nike, Adidas and others would obviously giving some sale to the customers. So more likely you would love to buy those tongues at a lower price. Now let's just observe. A guy with a Balenciaga jacket and Nike shoes would make him look better, or a guy with a Lambo and a big multi-millionaire business would make him look better. So it's obvious that the multi-millionaire one would look more impressive than the other. You need to get out of the game of buying brands and keeping your pockets empty. Well, nobody cares. Either you are buying a $50 sneakers or rather you are going for the $400 one, it doesn't make much difference. So it's better to go with lower one and save some money. So overall, what I'm trying to say is brands are not bad, but you can have them when you would start making enough money to buy them. Till then, just control yourself and learn to survive with the necessities. Online stores. 40% of the product buyers on Amazon do not have any necessity to buy that particular product. In fact, they are just using late night time mobile and they just got attracted to that product and end up buying. All you need to do is don't open apps like Amazon unnecessarily because they are very smart and they know how to make you buy the products. So better not to open those apps, and if you save that money, it would be enough capital to start any kind of business you wanted. Now, what if your friend calls you and asks you to go out with him and have some pizza? In a situation like this, you would be even ready to break your piggy bank. But when you are thinking about to start a business, a website domain name worth $15 would seem like a big expense to you. And moreover, eating high carbohydrate and fat is not good for health and overall increases your medical expenses. Now just think, if you would have saved all that money which you just spent within the last month, now how worthful it have been. If you just use that money in some productive things, you would have also got some benefits, but you just wasted that money on useless things. Better to save money rather than eating fast food. And if you ever wanted to buy some food, better to go with fruits or vegetables or something which is healthy to your body. Yeah, I don't mean that just stop eating the fast food. Yeah, it's fine to eat sometimes after 2 to 3 months, but if you're saying that you are going to eat it every week, so it's not good for your health and your medical expenses would also increase. So overall there is double losses which we are just getting from this. So it's better to learn to start eating tasteless green food. It's obvious that you would have watched some great series like Money Heist, Stranger Things, but have it made you any money? Yeah, you would be just thinking that they just carelessly focused on money. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is you love to watch Netflix because it just gave us dopamine hypes. By the word dopamine hypes, I mean the situations like you are watching Peaky Blinders and Thomas Shelby doing some great actions and which makes us feel good. At that situation, our brain is releasing a chemical called dopamine and the level of that is intensive. So it is addictive. Well, I know it's hard to quit. So here's a better option. Just stop buying Netflix and other account subscriptions. Rather, ask one of your close cousin or friends to give their account usage for some time. Like if they have more than one screen usage, then only it is possible. So what you can do is use their account for some time and it will save you the money and you can also watch some entertainment which you love to, but better not to watch it for so much long time. The other situation, if you are ready to quit it, then it's much better because you would be having all that free time and you can utilize that time in order to learn any good skill which acts as a long-term self-investment. Here's the last one. A lot of teens take extra tuitions. In my case, I have never gone to tuitions. I don't like tuitions because it is a wastage of money according to me. You can do self-study, you can learn anything at home. Yeah, if you really want to learn, you would easily learn it. But if you don't want to learn, the situation would remain same even if you take tuitions. So 80% of the teenagers don't get any benefit from the tuitions. Now just think, if you give $100 for a month, and it would be $1,200 expense of tuitions annually. And if you had invested that $1,200 in some good stocks, you would have easily earned some free passive income. So don't go for extra tuitions. Hope these 5 points will help you, and just don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to get financially free at young age. Moreover, check out this video to learn how to make money with AI.